This is my first time fishing in this area. Ooh, muddy. Too much mud. Okay. This is the bridge of Packery channel. That's the Packery channel. And boats here fishing. Those boats has a fish finder, so I trust that, well, there's fish in here because they will not waste their time being here fishing if there's no fish. The only thing is that if we're gonna catch those fish, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to this area and let's hope for the best. First cast, we'll see. What we're gonna get. There you go. There you go. And this is not a catfish for sure. Hopefully it's not catfish. It's kind of strong. And it is a perch. It is okay because it's a big perch. Look at this. Look at the size of this perch. That's what you want. Okay. It's a keeper perch. We're gonna keep this perch because it is a good size. Oh, flounder! First time. Look at this, guys. Flounder. Yeah, thank you. So this one is 20 inches. Oh, wait. I know. Don't worry. You're gonna be cooked soon. $20. Let me check what is the size limit. It's supposed to be 15 inches. Another perch. But we're hoping to get another flounder. I can tell already if it is perch or not. So this one is a perch. It's a good size. The pelicans wants it, but we're gonna keep it. Oh, another flounder. This is kind of small. Let's see. Let's measure it. Yeah, just in the shallow water.
Okay.
Right? Too small. You have to return. It's gonna grow bigger. It's family. Hello. You can use this one too. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Just put like half shrimp. Don't put the whole shrimp, just half of it.
Okay.
Okay, good luck. Enjoy. Okay, we're done for the day and we're good. Problem is to cross here. Ooh, how are we gonna cross? How are we gonna cross?